It's time for bookkeeping, beer, and BS.
I went bowling last week, which, by the way, I thought we were in a pandemic, but people were eating, sticking their finger in a bowling ball they just picked up off the thing, pouring it down the lane.
Community. Yeah,
Like,
and then they put their mask back on.
No, there wasn't a single mask in the whole building. Pizzas were flying. Everyone's grabbing the same golf sticks and golfing. Had laser tag guns everyone's holding. I'm like, I think COVID
doesn't exist here. We're in a safe
not
place,
here. Or if it exists in a really big way. But no one even like pretended to even like remember that there was a pandemic. So anyway, that aside, my kid, it was his birthday party. He had bumpers turned on and all of his little friends, and he's 10 and his little buddy that he brought with him was probably like 9. And they would walk up to the lane and they would like drop it with a little bit of forward momentum.
Bam.
Boom, 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 strike. Wow. That was like 2.8 miles per hour. You got a strike. That's amazing.
It was just, you just got to experience it in slow motion. Just watch it the whole way.
I would actually turn away, grab a piece of pizza, sit down next to my wife, get a little back rub, look up, still halfway down. We're like, finish my pizza, and then it would like hit. Anyway, they're getting strikes left and right. In 2 games, I didn't have a single ball under 20 miles an hour and 0 strikes. I hit the center pin no less than, I don't know. I probably hit the center pin at least 8 times in the 2 games.
Here's the thing, though. Are you a straight roller or are you curving it?
I'm straight.
But there's the physics, right? If you're going straight at it, I mean, there's a reason why the pro bowlers do the thing. They turn the
All
door
right,
knob.
Rachel. All right, Rachel. Hang on, Rachel. You're talking like you're my wife. You're talking like, all right. Listen. Dan.
Clearly.
Dan, listen. I'm bold enough to know that, yes, I'm not a curved bowler. I don't belong in Kingpin. I'm not that special. But I do know this. You hit that center pin, you got like a 75% chance of knocking all of them down. Like, it's going to happen more often than not. But no, I hit it 8 times, and most of the time, it would leave the craziest pin up. And I started getting to the point where I would start like kicking the children after they would get a strike. I'm like, get out of here.
Start beating them up. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this nonsense?
Yeah.
You guys go back bowling.
Go back to where you came
we
from.
didn't even have 10 pins.
Yeah. The KGB will wait for no one. Yeah. I was so mad. I made German words up just to get mad and say them, like, Gestapo. And
I thought you didn't swear, Kurt. I'm pretty sure that was a swear word.
In German, the word
that was actually great.
The word nice is a swear word in German.
Yeah.
But anyway, so I just want you to know that I was warming up my bowling, and I think so. I told my wife, I said, mark my words, there will be an article written about how Fat Cats of Queen Creek, Arizona has a rigged bowling booth. Mark my words, that article will be written. This is insane.
By you. By you.
No. I won't write it. Someone else will write it. I know it. It's going to be the biggest conspiracy of maybe 2023. Maybe it'll be 2025. I don't know how long it's going to take, but it's going to come out and it will come to light. And cockroaches cannot live in the light. We will get to the bottom of this.